Hello everybody and welcome back to FX Street. My name is Akash and today we're going to be taking a look at Dogecoin and discuss what's happening with the coin. Right, so before we get into that, make sure to head on over to our YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button. And if you want to stay updated with the hottest trends in the crypto market, make sure to also click on the bell icon. You can give us a follow on Twitter at FXSCrypto, and if you enjoyed the content that I put out, make sure to give me a follow as well at Mangeku with the zero at the end. I've created a new Telegram group where I post my thoughts on the market and the trades that I take. So if you're interested in that sort of content, make sure to go ahead and join the group. Right, so let's get into Dogecoin. Right, the last few videos that I discussed about Dogecoin, I spoke about the MRI indicator and how it had flashed a buy signal from a weekly perspective. Right, that is still the same. Like the outlook pretty much remains the same. Let me just change all of this. Actually, you know what? Let's just do it here. But as you can see here, this declining trend line has been a pretty significant level. Retest, reject, retest, reject, retest, reject. And now I'm expecting Dogecoin price to do something similar, but from a weekly time frame perspective, as you can see here, at least from a daily time frame perspective, the price has managed to bounce off of the 70.5 buy zone here, this pivotal deep discount mode. The price has produced equal lows as well here. So there is a slight chance that the price could reverse, sweep the equal lows formed, and then move higher. Now, I did want a long Doge here. If I did, this would have been a 10% upswing, but I did not because I'm kind of unsure about what's happening in the market. The Bitcoin price is too choppy. Like it doesn't go where it's supposed to go. So I'm kind of out of sync. I'm not saying it's Bitcoin's fault, but I'm saying I'm kind of out of sync with the markets, especially with what's happening with Bitcoin. So I'm kind of prevented myself from taking any trades. That said, from a daily time frame perspective, you can see that the price has bounced into the deep discount mode here, extending from 0.05 to 0.06. There is a pretty good chance Dogecoin price could get rejected by the 50 retracement level here. But if Bitcoin price continues to rally higher, like it's broken pretty important levels here, but it still has to move above the 30-day EMA and the 200 weekly moving average. So there is a chance Bitcoin price could go all the way up to 22.5, which is where the 200 weekly moving average is present. If that happens, then there's I can easily see Dogecoin rallying up to 0.0788. But if Bitcoin price fails to do that, gets rejected by the 30-day EMA again, then you can expect Bitcoin price to sweep the range low at roughly 17.6K. Now, if that particular scenario unfolds in Bitcoin price, then you can expect something similar to happen with Dogecoin as well, in which case I'm expecting again to sweep the 0.0. This basically the equal lows formed here at 0.057. But in an extremely bearish case, you can also expect the price to sweep the range low here. Now, a sweep of range low would be really interesting because this would be a strong buy, at least in my book. And I'm expecting this the resulting rally here to go all the way up to the high time frame resistance level here that you see at 0.08. So yeah, things are interesting. The at least the way a lot of altcoins are positioned right now. So personally, I would just like to wait and see how the price evolves. I would much rather miss out on this rally than enter now due to FOMO and then get stopped out and lose a bunch of my capital. So that's pretty much my take on Dogecoin. If you enjoyed this, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.